Alright, good night everybody. Thank you for watching, or good morning. Have a nice day. Hold on, I gotta... I'm allergic to all these letters. What am I doing? Oh yeah, I need more money. Money! How do I get that? Bless you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Sneeze compilation. I actually sneeze quite a bit. I like sneezing, it feels good. Just one sneeze. What is this? Thorns. Sorry. Bless you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Must follow the scent. Like a doggy. The wine made me sneeze. I'm allergic.
Could find something.
If you start taking money, you start getting in trouble, I think. Yeah. I gotta sneeze. Aaron V. Thank you. Arigato. Bless you. Thank you, Chan. We'll make it work. Alright, now... Okay, let's get to work. Wait, let me get some more cobblestone just in case. Bless you, thank you. I've been sneezing so much lately, I don't know why. I sneezed like while I was recording that Minecraft thing from earlier. I sneezed like 15 times in the course of 7 hours. Oh yeah, you can slide. But it's not as fast. That felt good. I'm feeling sick after sneezing.
Oh well, I'll get another one, I guess.
Yeah, you get another.
Find out what we're dealing with.
Roger that.
Hey, excuse me, sorry.
A different gun.
I have a spirit. Okay, fine. Said, please forgive me. I haven't played Heroes of Storm in forever. They must have been on my team. We probably lost. Oh, I gotta sneeze. No. I have to sneeze. Check the lipstick. Okay. These shoes look very suspicious. Do they match the size? 8. Okay. Look at it. Give me a treat. Oh, there's a tree here. Oh, I gotta sneeze. Sneezed all over you guys. Wazzy, thank you, thank you. It's a sneeze.
Louisiana numbers comes out just right. We know
We found out.
Bless her soul.
I just sneeze. Hold on. Okay. Bless you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. When you sneeze, cover your mouth next time, please. I almost felt that on my screen. No, I turned away this way. I didn't sneeze on you. Why would I cover my mouth if I'm inside alone by myself? Then I get it all over my hand and then I can't use the mouse. I have this. Oh, Toad. Batista, thank you. I gotta sneeze. Hold on. No, it's not coming. Okay, wait. Come on, sneeze. I gotta. Thank you. Ace Lassos, thank you. Bless you, thank you, thank you, thank you, teammates.
Yeah.
Oh.
Aha! Well, this is cool.
Oh.
Ah!
Sneeze all over you. Oops.
Nice. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Bless you, by the way.
This exterior
Thank you.
panel must have been knocked loose on landing.
There's a
Nothing
grenade behind you.
happened.
Or over there.
I threw one. Nothing happened.
Oh,
Bless you. Bless you.
thank you.
Oh yeah.
Wait. Yeah, we gotta go pretty far, I think. Oh, sneeze.
We'll save her. Wah! I think I just jumped in the middle. Bless you!
Thank you. Excuse me. Okay. It's to my armor set. Wait. Alright, I'm not ready. I gotta sneeze. Ew. Okay. Oh! There's 69 arrows left. Nice. Bless you, thank you, thank you. Okay, now I'm good. Fine, and water, I just fell in a hole. Oh, I just sneeze.
Keeping an eye on this spot.
Yeah. Thank you. I feel so blessed. There's so many people say bless you for me. I wish I could say bless you for you too. Usually though, like if I'm around other people, I know they like don't hear me sneeze and they never say bless you to me. Needed that. Okay, I'm ready. Oh, I gotta sneeze, not ready. It doesn't take that long. Oh, I gotta sneeze, hold on. Okay. Now. Okay. I got a hiccup. Whose big giant hands are those? Yeah. Where's everyone? Hi, Bubba.
So, you infiltrated the...
Hey, Abby, thank you. Cologne or deodorant? No, I don't wear cologne. Hold on, I have to sneeze. Will you guys still eat my pudding if I sneezed on it? I don't think I could finish it. Good luck with that. Oh, gotta sneeze.
Round 3. Victory is within reach.
Oh, sorry. What should I make the bone out of? Polished sandstone? Let's make a sword. Why can't I connect these? Oh, that was nice. Oh wait, what's over here? Nothing. Oh, I gotta sneeze. No. I got it. I got it. Well, maybe we'll make the Spanish stream a game stream. Oh, I'll think about it. Yeah, I'll put a game in there. Okay, we'll make that one a game. I don't know what game yet. We'll figure it out. Valorant. Yeah, we can do Valorant. Spanish getting over it? No. Ugh. I just sneeze again. Bless you, thank you. Ugh. Okay. Matthew, thank you. Ooh. I just sneeze again. Yeah. I just sneeze. Wait. And then you could like put them on their planets and stuff. Okay. Oh, that turned on my brain. I can make one here. Oh, it's because of the path? I can make one here, but I can't make one. Ow. Oh, then I have to sneeze. I gotta sneeze. Feels like I have to. Does that guy come? He doesn't come up here, right? Alright, let's do these on this side first. Oh, I just need red. Okay.
Stay there.
Okay.
Maybe. Or,
Do the blue one
no.
again?
Blue, yes.
One more time.
Oh, yeah, and then the red one.
Alright, let's put these diamonds away in this chest. Nice. Oh, Llama said bless you. Thank you.
Oh, otherkin.
Yeah. I gotta see.
Otherkin. I'm gonna stop. But bless you.
I sneezed on you.
Like a little kitten. Thank you. Arigato gozaimasu.
You're welcome. Should we keep going
I'm
straight?
never washing my hoodie. Sure.
Okay. I don't have any blocks though. Oh, I really have to sneeze, but it's not working. My nose. Alright. Oh, just sneeze again. Oh. A moment, that's a moment. This is like the opening to the vault. Alright, let's go back. I gotta sneeze. This one. Set it on loop. Alright. It's not too loud, is it? I'll turn it down a little bit. Thank you guys for the super chats. We're done reading super chats now. Let's see, we have a little temple. The burned temple. Hey. Dude. Excuse me? What's that? Oh! Perfect! Yes. Oh! Get to the end? Oh, right. Right. Then I gotta... You just wait there. Stop him! Shit! Wait. I should stock up on healing potions. Game. Oh! It sounds familiar. I gotta sneeze. Nope. Yes, wait. Bubba, stop! I don't want to sneeze on you. Ugh. I see.
Fire either ice bombs or frag
Okay.
grenades.
I see it. Shows over there in the bottom right corner. Oh? Back door? A basement? Oh, I really gotta sneeze. Hold on. Oh, I think I'm allergic to something down here. Maybe I'm allergic to magic. Oh God! Thank you. Are these guys guarding that thingy? They have heads? I can't tell. Ooh, I didn't like the feeling of that sneeze. It's like a... I might be getting sick sneeze. Probably not. Or what do you guys want me to do? Now that I have my Wii U set up, there's other games we could play too. Maybe. If we can. If we're allowed to. Oh, I gotta sneeze. Ah. Thank you for the bless. I sneezed like 10 times, or like over 10 times yesterday. I sneezed 4 times in a row, and I feel like I have to sneeze again. Okay, alright, I get it. Hi. Oh, I really gotta sneeze. Excuse me. Makes sense. I have to sneeze. Alright, let's talk to this guy again. Thank you.
I'll dispose of
Give the potion. Oh shit, I got rid of it.
You go and see Salamis, but don't give anything away. Just tell him that you tricked Jim into drinking the potion as planned, despite knowing.
Ah, it's gone. Oh, excuse me. I think that thing appeared in my nose or something. That's a word, right? Isn't it? I get a sneeze. Wait, this isn't part of the song. Wait, I have to sneeze. That was a good one.
I'm sorry. Okay, it's okay.
It's good.
Yes, it's good. Nice. Excellent. Bless you. Bless you.
Arigato.
助かる。あと助かる。助かるでござる。
Ah! Who cares? We did it! Now how do we get back? Oh, I really have to sneeze. Okay, I'm gonna fast travel to the next quest. After I escape. Oh, bless you. I don't know why I said that to myself. I meant to say excuse me. Thank you. Right. Now where to?
We move on my mark.
It's hard to keep track of the games too.
Yeah. Ooh.
Ooh. Oh yeah. Bless.
Oh, thank you. Oh, I have to sneeze. Where'd I go? I have to go all the way back down. Cute. Oh, there's a Yoshi egg right there. Ah. Why is there randomly fire? I gotta sneeze. Magu. Yum, aruga mama. Mogu yummy, majikami. Thank you for all the blessings. I guess not. I guess it doesn't connect if there isn't a garage. Oh wait, maybe like this. Hold on, I have to sneeze. Oops. Okay. Oh, I feel like I have to sneeze. Okay. Alien egg. Sneeze. Oh, this is where it came from. We're going back this way? Okay. That's what it says. Bless you, thank you. Years. I gotta sneeze.
Yeah. You taught me to read. John, too. A few other things, him and Hosea. I'm sure.
Cool hat, right? But it's not there. I gotta. No, hold on. Wait. Nah. Oh. I really need to sneeze. I was so distracted. I was holding it in. Okay. Oh, I gotta sneeze. Oh, no.
Howdy, folks. This is Mr. New Vegas, and I have a good feeling about all of you listening. Whoops.
Oh, I feel like I have to sneeze. Hold on. If he wasn't there, I could... My nose is so stuffy. Welcome back. Wait. Hope I'm not getting sick. Maybe it's just allergies or something. Sorry to sniffle into the microphone. Right in your mouth. Hold on, I've got to sneeze. Oh. No, wait. Ow, that one hurt. Only one sneeze? Usually I sneeze like 3 times. Wait. Hold on, I really have to sneeze again. Ow! But I feel like I have to sneeze. Hold on. One? A second sneeze? This one sneeze. Thank you. Bless you. Thank you. Where's my thingies? Oh, I just sneeze. Hold on. Just bear with me. How about fire? Okay, ice. Wait, can I pause? I gotta sneeze. Hold on. Yeah, I was thinking maybe I should climb them. Wait, what did I just do? I feel like you can have different wood. Yeah. Excuse me. Okay. Perfect. Alright, sorry, I was just reviewing the notes. Hold on. Answer the phone. I can't. Claude instead of Claude. Oh, Claw. Okay, thank you. Bless you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Hold on, I gotta sneeze. Oh, wait. Excuse me. Bless you. Thank you. In there. Thank you so much for the support. Lord Cotillion. Oh, thank you. Gnomes Bane. Thank you. Many warriors. I'm in way. Hold on, I gotta sneeze. Sorry, Mikki. Did I wake you up from your nap? She's sleeping on my lap. Bless you. Thank you. I feel kind of dizzy after that. I gotta sneeze. No, I don't. Wait. I forgot I'm using my headset mic. Oh, I gotta sneeze. Hold on. Oh, I really have to sneeze. Wait. Hold on, I have to sneeze before I enter this room. Okay. So wait, that's it? Hold on, I gotta... Another boss at the church. Examine it again. Thank you. Oh, it's weird. My brain feels itchy after that sneeze. It's like a sneeze from being sleepy. As you can see, hotel. Dorm.
Ah! We almost didn't catch that sneeze.
Bless you.
Thank you.
Oh, I bet, you know what? I bet I was trying to put them into the pot and I ate them. God damn.
Fight me! Don't see it. Where did it go? There we go. Nice! Yeah.
Let's try and make something.
Oh, it's
right?
already cooking. Okay.
Yeah, as long as you don't put anything like weird in there, it should make like some sort of recipe.
Bless you!
Eating a lot today. I don't know why.
Nice flesh color. Bless you. Thank you. Wait, where are you?
Respawn!
Oh.
Enemy?
なるほど。
Ah, 4部隊だ!
They're dead, Ahmed. Didn't you
No.
realize yet? They're dead.
No! Bless you.
Thank you, Ova. I had to do that with walkie-talkie.
I don't think I have the skill to set up this museum. I don't know what I'm doing.
You can do it.
I'll help you, don't worry.
We should go eat first.
Oh, I'm gonna sneeze.
I'll catch it.
Did you get it?
Oh, thank you.
Yeah, I got a little bit.
Oni,
Yes.
can I get a chew on the head?
Achoo!
A chew?
Achoo!
And the-
Achoo!
Okay, never mind. Forget I asked.
A dull blue figure of someone in a hood that you cannot see. They wordlessly put a sort of demented-looking Nerf gun onto the counter.
Where do I put the camera? Here? Oh, bless you!
Bless you.
Oh, thank you. Bless you. Bless. Oh, I'm moving my arms.
Just me, your drunk aunt on the
She's
tree.
swimming through air.
All right.
All good, I'll get in the neighborhood.
Yeah.
All right. Let me just double check this.
What did I drop?
Bum, bum, bum. Bless you!
See, I've not sneezed at all, but I could really use the blessing, so keep them coming. Thank you.
I'll bless you anyway. Yeah.
Thank you. Fine.
Armando go.
Oh, zero. Oh, there's an
Ooh,
alternator. Too.
I like alternator. Bless you.
Oh, thank you.
Gesund tight, Bubba. Bless you, Bubba, sneezing. you, Mikki. Oh, she's sneezing. Last time, 43631, Ame introduced herself to my mother. She thought she was super hot and then asked what special skills she had. My mother thinks she's not just a trucker. That's right, she's not just a trucker. She's a time traveler. And thank you. Tagio Short, thank you. Bane, thank you. Maybe do a benchmark? Yeah, I know. I've been putting it off. I have it installed. Bubba's sneezing. Bless you, Bubba. Are you still sneezing? Oh, it's because he's rolling around on the floor. You ever see like a dog do that? They like go and they like rub their face into the floor and then like roll over and they go. I gotta turn the music off when I go to that scene, sorry. Bibbo, thank you! Bubba's coughing. Bless you, Bubba. Sometimes Bubba will be like, oh, bless you! Bless you! Okay. Sometimes he'll like, bless you! Sometimes Bubba will come up and hiccup. Like, I don't know what it is with dogs. But, you know, if they trust you, bless you! If they're not feeling well, they like come up to you. Like, I've had it before where Bubba needs to throw up. I'm looking at him. He's gonna sneeze again. He's staring at me and standing. Well, he's on my hat, but he's staring at me. I can feel it. That's so cute when they do like this thing with their mouth where they have to sneeze and they're like, you can kind of see their teeth because they gotta sneeze. Bless you, Mikki. Phew. Phew. Oh. Bless you. Slow champ, thank you. The mechanics are interesting. Yeah, they're fun. Bubba sneeze, but Bubba, bless you. Are you getting sick too, Bubba? Oh, he's not sneezing. They're playing. Just see how pretty she is. It's a pretty interesting movie too. You hear Bubba sneezing? Bless you. This time in my last office, I knew I was gonna move from there, so I didn't want to get like any big tanks. So I just had my 1 10-gallon freshwater tank. But now that I've moved, and I don't think I'll move hopefully again for a while. Now I'm wanting to get my bigger tanks that I've been planning to get. Although nothing huge. One day I want to have like a 75-gallon tank or like a 150-gallon tank because then you can get different types of fish. Yeah, Bubba sneezed. Bless you, Bubba. If he's sneezing, that means he's playing. Right now, him and Mikki are playing. For some reason, he sneezes on her. Hold on. Hi, Bubba. Bubba's sneezing. I think the puddle's deep because it like burns the floor. Hold on, 1 second. Okay. I didn't sneeze. Sound like a sneeze? Oh, it's scary. Hold on, I want. Okay, hold on. I'm looking at the hats. I'll mute the audio for you guys. Achoo! Bless you! くしゃみ助かる。くしゃみ助かる。Sneeze! ありがとう。楽しいお時間ありがとう。Thank you, Zephyr. Thank you. Alright, goodbye everybody. I want to hug the camera. Thank you guys so much. Thank you, chat. Okay, bye. Bye. One more wink. Can I wink? This has been Hololive's #1 detective, Amelia Watson. Bye-bye.